So now let's see how we can work around with Chromameter effect. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here under Distort, and over here you can see that Chromameter is an option, but this is a layer only effect right here. So I need to go around and turn this into a composite shot right here, and then I'm just going to go around and press OK. So once you do that, this is a composite shot, as you can see. So now I can go around and grab my Chromameter right here and push this out, and you can see that this is the effect right here. You can go for snowy effect right here and even select out a source layer. So I'm just going to go around over here onto a media right here and bring in this particular footage right here. And then over here, I'm going to go around and select out the source layer, and you can see that you get that sort of effect. You can go around and choose the channel as hue, like blue right here and so forth, or you can go for red channel and so forth and work around with it. You can go around with the level of detail, and you can see that they kind of merge together right here with the Chromameter. You can go around and change around the level of reflection over here as well and wrap it out right here, like reflect. Like this, there can be no reflect or tile, as you can see right here, or reflect it out right here. And this is the overall effect, as you can see right here. It takes the colors from the other video and then it makes the top video like a glass. So that's what you have right here. So apart from that, you can go around over here, and there's Derez as an effect right here. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out, so let's just go around and click and drag this out right here. For the Derez effect, you can see that it is kind of like a glitch right here. You can go around and go for pixelation glitch right here, or wavy lines over here, or horizontal lines, as you can see. And you can choose the mask over here according to the layer as well. And over here you can see that you can go around and change around the frequency just like this. So you can go around and change around the frequency of how it looks, change around the sharpness and the other properties as you like as well. And of course there's regular transformations right here. So this is the Derez effect right here. Apart from that, there's the displacement effect, as you can see. So if I were to go around and keep this out right here, displacement is here. So you need to go around and select the source ID right here. So you can go around and choose a channel right here, and then I'll work around with it. So you can go around and see the displacement, and according to the channel behind right here, you can see that the displacement actually works out right here, just like this. So you can go around and choose a vertical displacement over here as well, and that is what you have right here. So you can go around and tile it out just like this as well. So just like with this, you can see the mountain displacement right here, just like this, according to the previous layer right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with Chromameter, Derez, and displacement effects inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.